Water temperatures are in the mid-80s, so it's definitely warm for a lot of folks that kind of don't go in until that degree gets up to at least 80, and it feels good out there right now. We have a westerly wind that's going to develop, and that's actually going to come in off of that water, and that's going to keep us warmer. It's also going to push those storms inland, and that's kind of what we're seeing out there today. But slow movers and scattered, let's call it that, because we don't have a whole lot of rain out there. Watching this Courtney Campbell area off of Safety Harbor, that's moving right down Tampa Road, so we're going to see a little storm there. And then this is the Howard Franklin Bridge and the Gandy. The west side of the Gandy now seeing some rain. There's not a lot out there, but I think this fills in and moves over towards southern parts of West Shore, towards MacDill Air Force Base, and then up here towards basically where the 275 comes over onto Pinellas. So watch out for a little storm there. The best chance for rain is here for inland locations. This is filling in the eastern Hillsborough County. Fishhawk, especially on the east side, you're seeing some rain there. Central and southern Pinellas County, we haven't seen as much down towards Pinellas Park. Still a small chance there, but most areas inland have a better chance than that. And Manatee and Sarasota, it looks like the best chance is almost down towards Northport with a good storm. Outside at the beach, looking good, right? Look at that. Light winds coming in off of the water. They will pick up a little bit the next several days because it's going to come in out of the west, and in the afternoon it gets a little bit higher, but we're still talking 10, maybe 15 knots of wind. That's not a lot of wind. 86 degrees, feels like 92. Dew points are in the 70s, and when the wind comes in off of that water that's in the mid-80s, it's going to keep us warm and muggy, which is not much more than we are now, but all the way through this week and through next weekend as well. Here's the forecast for tonight. That's around 6 o'clock. Still a few showers left over. Look at even Bradenton trying to get one there, but most of it's inland. Those will fall apart. The rain will shift inland, and that too will fall apart. Friday starts dry. Mid-morning, I would watch for a shower here along the coast. The better chance is about lunchtime, and then again it moves inland, but still we'll get 1 or 2 showers at the coast. With the west wind taking over tomorrow, most of the rain will be inland, and it will be a little bit heavy at times over, say, Lakeland, Bartow, Polk City, especially Winter Haven. We'll watch those areas for heavier rainfall. All right, let's go through your forecast for tonight. Slowly down through the 80s, muggy. Scattered showers will be ending 7:30 to about 9 o'clock tonight. Tomorrow we'll start in the mid to upper 70s. We'll go to the upper 80s to low 90s. Most areas about 90, 91 degrees. Rain chance, though, for Tampa is only about 30 to 40%. In fact, I have it even a little less than that as we get going into the weekend, about 30%. We could use the rain still, but the drought has got a little bit better. Look at Hernando and Citrus County, eastern Pasco. That has improved. Hillsborough, Pinellas, still a little bit on the dry side, so we can take every bit we can. All right, I've been promising you talking about the tropics. 10% chance the next 2 days, also the next 7 days in this area here. What we're watching is all this moisture. It's not organized, although that's quite a bit of convection. We'll have to see what this looks like, and really we're thinking it's somewhere in here that comes out over the southwestern Gulf. Here's the forecast model. You see all this rain here? Watch as it drifts to the northwest. Tries to consolidate here. This is tomorrow afternoon. Let's go out through Saturday. That right there, Saturday morning, could be a tropical depression. So don't be surprised if you get alerts from us. Get the app. It's free, and we'll send you alerts. Don't be surprised if you hear that. It's not going to affect us. See where we are? We're fine. But this is going to bring some rain to South Texas, East Texas, and then eventually the deep south, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. All right, so that's Saturday, and this is Sunday evening. It'll be moving on shore. It's not going to have time to get real strong or anything like that. And again, maybe even a depression. It'd be a far-fetched to get a tropical storm out of there. Can't rule it out. 7-day forecast shows our rain chances going only about 30 to 40% and highs near 90.